Hello, our art friend. Today we are going to learn how to draw a sea turtle. So grab your art supplies and keep watching to see how we draw and color this cute sea turtle. Draw half a circle to make the top of the shell. Close it at the bottom with a wavy line. Connect it to another wavy line under it and leave a small space open at the left side. Draw a wavy line closing that small space left previously, going upwards to make the hand. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then make the beak and a smiley mouth. Inside the beak part, draw a small line to make the nostril. Then under the bump of the head, make the turtle's wide, cute eye. To make this cute eye, we are going to draw a large circle, a small line covering its top, and another line on top covering both. Then draw a similar line under the eye. To finish the eye, draw the iris and the pupil, leaving a small circle to show light reflection. Draw some curved lines connected to each other to make the lower parts of the head and the neck. Then make a long line going downward to make the flipper. Finish the flipper with a wavy line going up all the way to the bottom of the shell. We are going to draw another flipper that looks like the one we just made. Only make this one smaller. Then draw another back flipper partially hidden behind. Draw a line under the shell, intersecting the flippers, ending with a pointy end under the turtle's neck. Then draw one last flipper, intersecting the bottom of the shell. We decorated our turtle's shell with some squares and lines. feel free to decorate it the way you want. We also added some irregular shapes on the flippers and the head. Now you can draw a sea turtle. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color. Or use a white pen or pencil on top of your color. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.